Temperature. The sun provides heat and light for all the planets in our solar system, known as solar radiation. Solar radiation means heat and light provided by sun to all the planets in our solar system. The earth, which is 150 million kilometers away from the sun. The distance between earth and sun is 150 million kilometers. Receives a tiny share of this solar radiation in the form of short waves that travel through the atmosphere and reaches the Earth's surface. Our Earth receives only a small portion of the solar radiation, which travel through the atmosphere in the form of short waves. The amount of solar energy received by Earth is known as insolation or incoming solar radiation. Incoming solar radiation is the heat and light which Earth receives from sun. The amount of heat received is maximum near equator and decreases near pole. The amount of solar radiation in the equatorial region is very high. As we go towards pole, it starts decreasing. The temperature therefore measures the intensity of heat and degree of hotness. On the basis of amount of heat received, the earth has been divided into three hot heat zones: torrid zone, temperate zone and frigid zone. On the basis of temperature, there are three zones of our earth. They are torrid zone, temperate zone and frigid zone. Now we will study about these zones and where they lies. First is the torrid zone. Torrid zone is located between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. The place located in this zone receives maximum insolation because this zone receives direct rays from sun. The next zone is temperate zone. The temperate zone lies in the Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle. Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle in the northern hemisphere, and in southern hemisphere it lies between Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle. The places in these two zones receive moderate amount of insolation, and as the rays of sun are slanting, here sun rays falls in slanting angle. In slanting, hence the temperatures are neither too hot nor too cold. Next zone is frigid zone. It lies between Arctic Circle and North Pole in the northern hemisphere and between Antarctic Circle and South Pole in the southern hemisphere. The places lying in this zone are coldest region of the earth since they receive minimum insolation of the sun. These are the three heat zones of our earth.